welcome. I was watching Alice, the 2020 movie, a couple of days ago, and you know the scene where she cut off her braids, her twist, and her afro showed up.
How do I look?
Like you.
Well, I started obsessing over afro hairstyle. Unfortunately, I don't have that. So I went online. I was just looking for ways I can recreate that look in my own way, and then I just got into just watching how people were playing with their natural hair to get different ways you can achieve afro hair. I saw some techniques that I didn't even know as a hairstylist. Like whatever is your reality, you become like a specialist in it. Let me put it that way. So the first person I saw was this gorgeous lady. Her name is on the screen. She was making fun shapes with her hair. It was just nice to watch, and she's blessed. I wonder how these people's nutrients go to their hair. I don't know where mine go to. How do they have so much gorgeous hair? What is forming this hair in their body that I don't have? Like, anyway, this second one is by Game of Thrones, and she created this. You can see. I am just going to let you watch because I think I'll just even be distracting you by talking. But you're just going to see different people achieve different afro hairstyles with different techniques and just different looks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just see for yourself. But see, for those of us that are not blessed in this department, you think we can only just look and salivate and not do anything about it. No. My next video is going to be different ways, different gorgeous ladies. You're able to achieve the afro look, natural looking afro look with hair extensions, both crochet, clippings. I had to do that research because I am definitely going to create a wig that's going to look like afro hair. If I don't have it, I have to fake it until something happens. But for now, this lady, like I just felt like this is going to be a tangled, like very stiff, tangling potential hair. Like it's just like you're creating tangles with your hair. That's what I felt like she was doing. The hair was looking like it was just going to be hard and dry and very difficult to comb later. Like, but look at this, look at that, and look at this lady. This video is fun. If you like it at the end of the video, please just leave a thumbs up because man, it was fun for me and I just decided to share. Check out all these creators. Those who didn't tag their video, I'll have their names on the screen so that you can check them out. And if you're not blessed in this department, don't worry. I'm in that club and I am going to find the solution to that. So expect the next video to just be different ways you can fake it till I don't know if you can let her make it though, but we are all going to rock the afro. Enjoy.